I gotta give you guys a quick intro to this video. These guys posted on my Stuck in Florida SOS group. There's actually one guy. He got a Bronco stuck down in Miami area, Everglades. And everybody was like, dude, that's a super bad area. It takes multiple vehicles to get one vehicle out. Everybody gets stuck. And I've heard about this place for a while, so it caught my interest. And sure enough, I think 2 other vehicles went down there, got stuck. One of them got out, and then one of them was stuck with them. So now there's 2 stuck vehicles, a Rivian and a Bronco. The guy in the Bronco called the tow truck company. They came out there, charged them $480, and then they got stuck too. And then they got out, they left, but they said they were gonna come back, and guess what? They never came back. So I messaged the dude. I said, hang tight, you know, don't get any more vehicles out there. I'll come out there first thing in the morning, and we'll make it happen. So sure enough, 5 a.m. in the morning, I left, and let's pick up this video here. Guys, it's 5 a.m. We're headed to Miami for a freaking recovery. Let's go, dude. We've already been on the road for half an hour, but we still got some miles to go.
There's low visibility reported ahead.
All right, well, we made it here. I guess it's right off the side of the freeway, and as soon as you come into this gate, it's just soupy, messy stuff both ways. A little bit darker mud than what we have at Rancho. I got another Gladiator pull up. That's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and air down, drop it down to like 10 psi. I don't know what to expect over here. Already got tore up by mosquitoes. Just my arm hanging out the window, dude. All right, here she is.
Good day to be a Bronco and a Rivian.
Got the Rivian. She's in there. Oh yeah, Bronco. Yeah, I can get both of you guys from here. I don't even have to get into it.
All up at once?
No, I'll just pull this one out first, and then we'll run out to that one.
Do you even need our ropes, or you got everything?
Nah, I got it all.
Okay. Yeah, if I had a winch, I would have took the base of this tree and worked my way out of there. Or at least that's my cool plan. Probably wouldn't have.
That shackle is bent, my dude.
Really?
Yeah.
We got a couple others.
Yeah, look at that thing. Somebody yanked the shit out of that. Yeah, it won't even go in, huh?
Yeah, it's gonna read up there.
Okay, well, I got one for you.
I think there's one right in that trunk. Didn't I leave my red one right in there for you? Yeah. We didn't yank that one at all.
Okay.
I believe I did.
Yeah, if that pin isn't seated all the way, that's what'll bend that shackle open. Oh, yeah.
Is this a Rhino? I know I bought something Rhino
like
recently.
No, but I got one for you. Okay. Guys, the mosquitoes out here are freaking brutal. Brutal. We are literally like in the Everglades, and I brought everything. I bought my crown anchor, traction boards, got my rear batteries all charged up. Let me see, I want a big 30-foot tow strap right now. That's what I'm looking for. Problem is everything's buried. There we go. All right. You got it hooked up, that shackle's seated all the way?
Yeah, I untuck it just one round to avoid like stucking, you know?
Yeah, let me double check. Yep. No, I'll go in reverse. And let me get you a radio real quick. Give it just a little bit of gas. You don't want to floor it, just a tiny bit. We're probably gonna go for a second, stop, go, stop. So I'll just tell you on the radio, just listen for me. All right, I'm gonna get a little tension on it. Once you fill it, give it just a tiny bit of gas. All right, now let's
I'm just kidding.
go look at this one.
Don't feel like that. You helped me out so much. Man, this dude was out in the woods all night last night.
Yeah, came out.
Yeah, man.
That's awesome, dude.
He gets off on this stuff, you can tell.
Yeah, that's same here, man. Same. Yeah, look at those holes. No, just bigger tires and a winch. All right, here's the Bronco. Gotta watch out for snakes and stuff out here.
Did I get that stuff out?
Yeah, it looks like we got. Is that a Rhino shovel over here too?
Yeah, if you see Rhino stuff, I told you there was Rhino stuff.
Dude, that's funny.
Is that Rhino?
It looks like it. Looks like one of our shovels.
Probably is.
That's great. All right. There you go. Successful recovery mission. And not only do we do this for free, but I hooked them up with stuff. So I'm gonna get him a tow strap, and we'll get the other dude a hitch shackle, since his hitch shackle was completely mangled. There we go, right there. Perfect. Oh, how about that? And it's even a gray one that matches the Rivian. All right, now let's get these things turned around and get out of here. Oh, dang, I didn't realize I was that dirty. Holy crap. That's funny. Well, successful recovery, like always. You know, we're 100% over here. To this day, I still haven't had a recovery I couldn't get. I'm sure my day is coming, but when you're well equipped and you got a lot of experience, you kind of, know what to expect sometimes. But if you guys made it this far, I definitely appreciate you watching, sticking around to the end. If you want any of the recovery gear, go to rhinousainc.com. You get yourself one of the hitch shackles, the toe straps, D-rings, soft shackles. We make over 100 products. rhinousainc.com. If you want to support the 4x4 Rescue channel and this initiative of free off-road recovery, get yourself a team decal at shop4x4rescue.com. And lastly, don't forget, once a month, we give away a power box. It's a $250 value. It's got a kinetic rope, soft shackle, shovel, tire gauge, all types of off-road accessories. If you want to be entered to win the power box, you got to be a subscriber, a US resident, and comment on any of my videos. The more comments, the better. Once a month or so, I just scroll through, I pick a random comment, and that's it, you win. So pretty straightforward, no purchase necessary. But yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week.